Good afternoon, folks. Thanks very much for tuning in to CastingToTheWatcher.com. Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to tell your friends about CastingToTheWatcher.com if you like us, if you like my service. Don't forget to spread the word, and thank you very much for doing that. You will be supporting the growth and the expansion of CastingToTheWatcher.com. So it's 5-day forecast today. I'm going to see how conditions are going to be shaping up over the next 5 days. First of all, it's the usual stuff. It's the rainfall, it's the summary for temperature, and then looking how things are shaping up from the SimWF model to go through the week. And then we're going to go more in depth across weather and stuff. We're going to go through towards the day-to-day changes. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and also Friday. So quite an interesting week ahead. Currently, we're in a mild phase, or a warm phase across many central and eastern zones. But those temperatures sliding off slowly through Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then slowly starting to recover temperatures as we go through towards Thursday and also Friday, with high pressure starting to reach back in to these western parts of the country. So this is how we're shaping up in terms of the total rainfall by this Saturday. It's these many essentially western zones seeing most of the rainfall, quite heavy in places too. It's mainly through these parts of northern England, southwest Scotland, two parts of Northern Ireland as well, and then running through the eastern zones of the country too. Notice most of this is actually coming through on Tuesday evening. Well, some of this across central zones is coming through on Monday. So quite a wet next few days coming up with many central and eastern zones. And then we've got showers now, but it's going to go through Wednesday and also into Thursday and Friday. Anything up to 70mm on the highest hills, but more like 10 to 30 lower down. So this is how we're shaping up in terms of temperature and also rainfall. Temperature's quite warm at the moment, quite dry too. There's a move through towards tomorrow. Temperatures sliding off, becoming cool through into Tuesday and also Wednesday, before slow recovery as we go through towards the end of the week. And I do have to tell you, it is a very slow recovery as we go through towards the end of the week. Notice it's quite dry at the moment. We'll go through towards Tuesday and Wednesday rainfall, and then through towards the end of the week, rainfall starts to slide off, but always keeping a few showers in these areas. And the GFS ensemble is backing up that idea. Look, quite cool, quite warm at the moment, and sliding off through towards Tuesday and also Wednesday, before slow recovery towards the end of the week. So this is our synoptic side shaping up from the SMWF in terms of tomorrow. Low pressure centred towards northwest, so a cool day tomorrow. Low pressure across many parts of the country. This is ridge trying to build in, but not doing very well so. But as we go through towards Thursday, the ridge is built in proper across these western parts of the country. It's becoming warmer, it's becoming brighter. Low pressure still out towards the southeast, so I think we'll still find in Thursday showers in the southeast. And high pressure again starting to ridge back up to the one over Scandinavia, so starting to form a link there. If we form that link, that means we could get some quite wet, settled and nice weather across the country. And this is a picture as of Friday. High pressure really built in well across these western parts of the country, brighten these areas. Low pressure started to move out towards the southeast, so even though some showers in the southeast, it's becoming less and less showery here. And high pressure starting to become more of an influence across these western parts of the country, so becoming warmer, brighter, and also seeing a lot of sunshine as well. So that's giving you a quick overview as to where things are going over the next 5 or so days. Let's go into more detail then on how things are shaping up as we go through towards the next sort of 5 days. This is the picture as of today. Notice we've got high pressure across these eastern parts of the country. Low pressure centred out towards the northwestern frontier across western parts of the country. This is quite heavy in places. I think these eastern parts are seeing a nice evening, especially across eastern England, southeast England too. But these more central western zones always seeing cloud and bits of rain and quite heavy rain moving through. And then further out into the evening, some gales developing across the far northwest. Showery here too, perhaps hail and thunder in these areas. And this is how we're shaping up in terms of Thursday, 28th of May. Low pressure still dominant force. Notice the front stalling through northern parts of Scotland through towards England as well. It's bringing out quite heavy rain in places. Showery and cool through Thursday. Temperatures dropping off. Low pressure is now a nationwide feature, so many parts seeing cool and showery weather. Some torrential downpours in places. Top temperatures, well, they're ranging between 14s in the sunshine, just 10 into 11s when you get the cloud and also the rain. And this area of rain, this finger of rain, if you like, moving up from France, may give some quite heavy torrential downpours as we go through towards Thursday evening in this sort of region. And this is a picture by Wednesday. Loads of low pressure started to dive back out towards the southeast, so starting to pull away the unsettled weather across these western zones. We've got cool northeasterly wind bringing in showers to these eastern parts of the country, a few elsewhere as well. And these can be quite heavy, perhaps even a finger of rain moving back in towards the eastern parts. So there is a risk of some flooding across some eastern parts of the country. Western areas, I say, seeing the best of the brightness with the easterly breeze coming up over the hills. So quite warm, I think, in western parts, 14, 15, say just 10s, 11s, 12s. I get the cloud and also the rain and a breeze days across eastern parts of the country. And this is how things shaping up by Thursday. High pressure starting to become more of a dominant force across these western parts of the country. Western parts seeing better weather, always keeping a low pressure influence across these southern and eastern parts. So I think we'll find on Thursday is a look this dying frontier across the eastern parts of the country. Showers and outbreaks of rain for these southern and eastern parts coming in, increasingly light as we go through towards Thursday. Still one or two places seeing hail and thunder, but these northwestern parts of the country, especially Western England, northwestern England, southwestern England, Scotland, Northern Ireland itself, seeing some quite warm weather on Thursday, temperatures in the high means, and also bright as well. Light winds too. And this is seen as of Friday. High pressure again is dominant force across these western zones of the country. Low pressure is still there. Look across these central parts of Europe. So still think some showers across these eastern parts, but becoming increasingly light and patchy. Many parts warm and also dry. Frontier across western parts. So I think we could see on Friday the far northwest seeing a few drizzly outbreaks of rain, much like today, and many central and eastern zones seeing the best of any sunshine as we go through towards Friday. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to tell your friends about CastingToTheWatcher.com if you like it. And don't forget to spread the word. You will be supporting the growth of CastingToTheWatcher.com by doing that. So thanks very much for watching. And don't forget to tune in at 3 PM or 4 PM. We'll be having a look at the summer. We'll be going through the latest mold and see what they're saying for the summer season in the United Kingdom. So thanks very much for watching and see you later.